Hello learners, in this third session related to FAM tours, the focus of discussion will be on travel marts. In this third session, we will be able to understand the importance of travel marts for the promotion of tourism business and also learn about prominent travel marts at the global level. Now, travel marts is one of the face-to-face marketing activity, and during the mart we organize various kinds of events such as trade shows, professional conferences, product release and seminars. This type of marketing is useful to send messages across all consumer groups, partners, to increase sale, affirm the organization position in the market and expand the business. Compared to various other forms of communication mix, marketing practitioners identify travel mart as an important tool that can have a considerable impact on a travel agency's ability to get involved and compete in the marketplace. During the 1990s, the focus of marketing strategies was more on customer-related approach, and today the focus is increasing day by day with reference to the 4 C's: customer needs, customer cost, convenience and communication. So customer relationship management is the most important marketing strategy to increase competitive advantage in tourism business. So we are developing new marketing strategies and enhancing our existing marketing mix. Travel Mart is a tool where the exhibitors have an opportunity to meet their customers and partners face to face and to know them to a great extent. This type of interaction strengthens the relationship and increase loyalty with the current customer and partner base. This marketing strategy is useful also in the case of travel fairs and exhibitions. In this video, we shall discuss about the prominent travel exhibitions and marts organized at the global level. Now let me take you to the first such example, which are related with the World Travel and Tourism travel marts and exhibitions. These examples will help us to understand the opportunities for partnership for companies as well as attendees working in the industry. These expositions, conferences and marts help in developing network. It's a good source for service providers at the global level to understand the changing trends in this fast-paced tourism industry. Thousands of such events are held every year, and it is not possible for us to attend each and every one across the globe. But yes, we can decide about the best travel shows to attend according to our company profile or travel needs. The travel marts listed in this presentation are one of the most largest and renowned international tourism gatherings in the world. The marts that will be discussed today, they provide educational opportunities and insight for the industrial leaders for various countries. Along with the marts, there are exhibitions that are also organized to promote tourism. Now let me first discuss the marts. First is the East Mediterranean International Tourism and Travel Exhibition, Istanbul, Turkey. This is known as the biggest tourism meeting point of Eurasia and East Mediterranean. EMITT is held every year at the end of January. The event annually attracts around 60,000 industry professionals and potential tourists who look for new and exciting travel opportunities from destinations and travel service companies across the globe. This exhibition is known as one of the 4 top travel shows worldwide and hosts multitudes of professionals and visitors in search of new and exciting travel products and opportunities all over the world. Tourism industry professionals participate in the conferences to find out new business partners and expand cooperation among existing partners. They inquire about new tourist destinations, products and services, and also compare offers from various service providers. Regular attendees meet the leading travel industry professionals, acquire exclusive travel offers, and participate in various events. At the exhibition, the visitors gain the opportunity to increase their business volumes. Country pavilions, holiday destinations, summer and winter tourism, and outdoor tourism destinations, hotels are all involved at the exhibition management. The exhibition is organized in a huge area and generate interest by sector professionals and holiday enthusiasts. EMITT offers various web-based tools which are available to all the exhibitors, visitors and tourism professionals. These apps are easily accessible and are a perfect way for the attendees to network quickly and efficiently, connect with the right customer or supplier, and expand their contact base at the show. The next exhibition and the travel fair is the Guangzhou International Travel Fair in China. With a 27-year long history, GITF is the longest running international tourism exhibition in China and is one of the oldest in the world. This B2B and B2C exhibition focus continuously to the various prevalent tourism trends. They provide professional advice, quality tourism services, and is a platform for perfect business communication for global exhibitors and travelers. China Import and Export Fair Complex is a modern exhibition center of Asia, which is located in Guangzhou, China. It's a perfect integration of human ecological concerns, high level of technology, and has a lot of space and facilities to accommodate a big exhibition. The benefit of participation is one fully enjoys the industry influence and buyer resources which are developed by GITF through 28 years. There is a comprehensive promotional program which focuses on business opportunities specifically for the South China market. There is an online access system to meet more than 1,000 quality buyers and trade visitors in Chinese market. Series of events and activities are organized to keep up with the latest trends and needs of the travelers. More than 4,000 business meetings are organized with target clients during the event. All the attendees get first-hand information about business to customer tourism markets in South China every year. So these are some of the benefits for attending the show, and the purpose is to attract more qualified buyers from various fields to attend the event. There are launches related to new products and value-added services are promoted for buyers and agents. These buyers and sellers commit to recruit qualified staff, develop cross-cultural linkages, work with different fields of tourism industry stakeholders such as associations, chamber of commerce and hotel groups across the world. After China, the next most important exhibition is the Moscow International Travel and Tourism Exhibition held in Moscow. It's generally held every March. This event is the largest business-to-business travel event in Russia and is also one of the most widely visited exhibition in the world, featuring 7 halls and a pavilion holding exhibition from 1,500 companies. This travel fair attracts nearly 25,000 professional visitors, which represent tourism industry from 80 regions of Asia and 91 other countries of the world. The standout show of the year offers hundreds of destinations and travel services. This fair is the best place to discover new travel opportunities and source for the latest products that are offered in Russia. Representatives of tour operators, travel agents, and other companies involved in the travel industry, such as airlines, transport, hotels, and IT companies, also attend this event to find out new clients and market their business. And the visitors attend the event to take advantage of special offers. Participants at this fair have the chance to learn more about Russian tourism market, discover new destinations, products and services, along with potential business opportunities which involving the companies, and also help the organization to improve their professional image. From general information about the tourism destinations to accommodation, transportation, and even package, a lot of demand is found in terms of the newly exhibited products and services. A lot of supporting events are also organized which give visitors the opportunity to meet top industry experts and learn about the latest trends and the challenges associated with Russian tourism. Exhibiting at this fair is an opportunity to find out new partners and clients, help us to understand the role of different tourism agencies, tour operators, and industry professionals. We can present our destination services and get immediate feedback about the opinion of the decision makers. This smart increases our brand awareness. It is a feasible way to conduct business and sign contracts with influential industry experts and association. More than 80% of the senior managers from travel agencies are responsible for influencing decisions, and they visit this mart. The mart is an effective tool for promoting the products and destinations in Russian and CIS markets. Exhibitors are able to present their tourism products for a period of 3 days directly to thousands of senior managers from travel agencies and tour operators who come to form linkages, explore market offerings, and understand the various products according to the seasons. So, friends, we have learned that it is the largest international tourism show in Russia in terms of its exhibitors, participating countries, and the regions represented. MITT is notable because of its high buyer potential. The sales figures are high, and we have representatives and specialists from Russian travel companies who prefer to participate in this event rather than any other industry event. The exhibitors have a rational marketing strategy. They have an understanding of showcasing and presenting the tourism products and services, promotion of the brands related to Russian market, and an effective tool for lead generation. So these are some of the advantages. The next travel mart is a Vancouver International Travel Expo, Vancouver in Canada. With 2019 marking the 4th year for the Vancouver International Travel Expo, this travel conference is increasing both in terms of its size and scope. It allows the attendees to connect with over 250 exhibitors from around the world to learn about new travel opportunities which are available on each continent, from cruises to adventure tourism to special interest tourism. Visitors also participate in free seminars which are given by field experts on a variety of travel topics. There are 3 presentation theaters. Vancouver International Travel Expo is a platform to connect with exhibitors covering destinations from all around the world. Cruises, hotels, resort owners, airlines, travel agencies, adventure travel operators participate in a big way. To accommodate the safety precautions in this time of pandemic, the mart was held virtually in 2020. online by showcasing exhibitors through a viral platform which was designed specifically to promote. And various new travel agents from countries of Southeast Asia are participating, and in this the focus of the mart goes on cleanliness, health, safety and environment. Now let me take you to another mart, TTG Expo, Rimini, Italy. TTG is again a travel trade show which is a unique, innovative platform where travelers can discuss the latest trends in the industry, consult with the professionals and experts from all over the world, and grow their network. More than 2,000 exhibitors, 300 events, presentations, training programs, business-to-business negotiation, and promotional activities are conducted during this travel mart. The TTG Travel Experience provides a structured networking tool through which attendees can find opportunities, explore industry trends, and come up with profitable commercial programs for mutual benefit. Most of the attendees get an opportunity to develop new business, understand the tourism product, explore the role of intermediaries, organize business meetings with international buyers, focus on new market segments, meet professionals from a wide range of sectors who are interested in strengthening relationship with the new markets, and understand the development. This mart provides an opportunity of networking through workshops and events, sponsored events, and opportunities at conferences and seminars are also important. They give visitors a new idea about the products and services according to the customer needs, and also help them to look forward for exclusive and personalized proposals. They enhance the value and the brand image of the travel agency. The various exhibitions that are organized help us to display and the value of the brand and the unique offerings. The brand visibility is increased through various media promotional strategies, through websites, newsletters and social channels. So there are so many publications after these travel marts which also helps in improving the visibility. The mart organizers are in constant contact with the attendees throughout the year and with their weekly and annual publications, which are widely read by the sector operators, and the website, which registers lakhs and lakhs of users, help in promoting new areas and spreading information to the travel professionals. Whenever the company takes part in such shows, they enjoy extensive media coverage, developing new contacts, visibility in terms of agency reports, news articles, web articles. Now let me take you to Tourism Expo Japan, Osaka. Osaka, Japan has launched a comprehensive travel and tourism trade event in 2014. The Tourism Expo Japan is one of the most celebrated events which is encouraged and is attended by people from different parts of the world. There are a number of destinations, experiences and participation from more than 100 countries. Anyone who enjoys traveling, this event offers top travel information and also helps us to understand the background of Osaka, its cultural attributes, atmosphere and friendliness. With the organization of this Tourism Expo, Japan has grown over the years to become the world leading travel partner and to increase tourism in a region which helps in job creation, environmental conservation, and social well-being. Government agencies and private sectors work together to help Japan develop its tourism at the global level by discussing and implementing strategies and measures to stimulate demand for overseas, domestic, and inbound travel. There are various exhibit zones which include Asia, Pacific, Africa, Europe, Middle East, Central and South America, and these exhibits are basically from travel agencies, embassies, airlines, and hotels. The Japan zone include exhibitors from government agencies, tourism associations, accommodation facility providers, and those involved in leisure activities. There is a special travel agency zone, a specific zone for hotel and hotel representatives, and for transport and airline service providers. The reason to organize these exhibits is to give them an abundant opportunity to exchange information, to conduct effective business meetings, to inspire the customers. By joining this show, they are able to interact face to face with thousands of key buyers, introduce their new services, and get direct feedback. There is a greater visibility for the company or a country or a region. The participants also benefit from intense media coverage. They generate sales lead and build relationship with the prospective customers and understand the trends related to a region. The next part is ITB Asia Singapore. ITB Asia is an annual 3-day event, a trade show and a convention for travel industry. It is designed to be a primary event for the Asia Pacific travel industry. For last 14 years, this event has been organized, and the physical event is also complemented with virtual events for those who are not able to attend. The virtual component include online conferences, live sessions, knowledge libraries designed to add value for greater outreach. Business matching with buyers is available on-site with pre-scheduled face-to-face meetings. ITB Asia is organized and supported by Singapore Exhibition and Convention Bureau. Today, ITB Asia is a premier meeting place for the travel trade industry and a forum for establishing high-quality customer contact and conducting business. This is a place where international exhibitors of all sectors within the travel value chain meet, and the Asia-Pacific leading travel companies, emerging small and mid-sized enterprises discuss with top international buyers related to new products in the area of MICE, leisure, and corporate travel. It has a large number of delegates coming from 132 countries. The main focus is to develop buyer-sellers meet, effective communication, and to look forward for tourism promotion by establishing quality contacts, reaching new markets, and enhancing relationship with the existing markets. We meet more than 1,000 exhibitors at one location. Again, use of mobile application is widely encouraged for appointments and scheduling with exhibitors and attendees. There are invitations to official networking with the industry members, exciting prize competitions which include hotel stay, airlines tickets, cruise packaging, and various draws to visit and win during the events. Seminars and workshops are also organized which provide opportunities to enhance the industry knowledge. The mart is designed for the travel community to connect. ITB community facilitates a year-long engagement for developing new partnership and strengthening the existing business relations with important players in the region. Series of virtual events are also lined up to connect and reconnect with business partners all the year round. So friends, we have learned that ITB Mart is a place where everyone from the travel industry, whether they are from the leisure group or from the technology sector, they connect and network after the mart is over virtually. They have more than 10,000 community members from 120 countries who work for the development and promotion of tourism. This inspires new ideas, help us in engaging in thought-provoking discussions with leading global brands and experts. The next mart is World Travel Market Expo London, which is organized in Britain. This mart also introduces global travel buyers to various brands across the globe. WTM London prides itself as being the hub of travel idea. The travel show aims to give attendees, the global travel attendees, an insight how the industry will look in next 5 years, in addition to sharing innovations and creating endless business opportunities. The various conferences that are held during this mart provide a remarkable insight and opportunity, fosters sharing of motivational ideas, new product launches, and understanding the linkages of tourism with various sectors such as sports, technology, and transport. Now let us now discuss the prominent travel shows of India. The first one is the India International Travel Mart. In this mart, we had more than 160 exhibitors from across the country, which included state government, tour operators, and tourist service providers. The Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, is the authority who has entrusted the Federation of Association and Indian Tourism and Hospitality to organize this Indian Travel Tourism Mart in 2019. The focus of this mart is to promote Indian tourism, to help the travel and hospitality organizations of India to engage in key policy and strategy decisions which can help the central and the state government of India to grow tourism industry at the global level. The organization has worked with the government on tourism components such as the various strategic policies, the policies related with e-visa, GST, conservation of monuments. They have developed vision documents and foreign trade policy related to tourism during the discussions held with the stakeholders who had participated in the mart. So on behalf of the tourism industry, the mart is an opportunity for a global buyer-seller meet also, and a forum where they can have a partnership with the Ministry of Commerce and Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, to design new policies and programs for hoteliers and tourism service providers. The Indian Tourism Mart 2019 was planned as a business-to-business meeting where Ministry of Tourism hosted more than 300 foreign tour operators from across the world. The key features of Indian Tourism Mart 2019 was that business need to be promoted in such a way that more and more global tourists are promoted to visit India. We had tour operators from different parts of the globe who had a lot of interest in Indian tourism products, and they look forward to partnership with Indian travel trade associations. There were meetings with the exhibitors. Business events and conferences were organized, and post-event fam trips to various parts of India were also part of the event. TTF is India's biggest travel trade show network. So learners, in these sessions related to familiarization tour, we have read about the importance of FAM tour, what is the role of various tourism service providers, how do they benefit from the FAM tours, and what factors we must take into consideration for successful organization of FAM tours. In this third lesson, we have also understood that these activities are organized in the form of buyer-seller meets and travel marts at the global level. These marts provide us an opportunity to grow our business and promote sustainable tourism at the global level. Thank you.